Hello, fellow wealth builders. This is TJ from TJ2.com. And before we get into this video, if you would hit the like, the subscribe, and the notification button, I would be much appreciated. And getting into it, December 26th, first day of Kwanzaa, Matunda ya Kwanzaa, for those of you. And today is about Umoja, unity, and that's where we strive to maintain unity with everyone in the race, in our community, in our nation, in our families. And unity is one of those things that it's it's almost like one of those principles that we just say. We say, but we don't really practice as much. Today would be a day where we would not just get together, but try to come together, be as one. I don't know how to say it in a way that makes more sense than that. Um, Try to let go of the things that divide us. Um, your ideologies about your politics or about what you think black people should be, other than unified, other than the principles that bring us together for Kwanzaa. Forget about everything else. Forget about the light skin, dark skin, rich, poor, Republican, Democrat, all these other things that in the larger scheme of things don't really affect us the way unity as a people would affect us. Think about what it means to be unified, not just as a family, which if you were unified as a family, if you are unified as a family, then you see the positive effects of that trickle down, not just emotionally, but financially as well. Wealth building in your family as a legacy wealth management strategy is really important, and it's one of those things that we don't really focus too much on, and we never really think about unity in the way that we should, except for during parts of the year like now, or after something terrible happens with the police. But we need to be thinking about it and devoting more time to it, more than just today. Today is a time to focus on it, yes, but this is just a reminder that we're not doing it as often as we should during the year. So when you think about unity, think about how you are contributing to your family, to your community, being a support system for other people who are like you, look like you, and live like you. Think about that.